Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are unboxing my February Boxycharm box. I know this one is a little bit late. Like, I think this is gonna be posted on the last day of the month. I'm filming this, today's Friday. It's going up on Tuesday. So it's literally gonna be the last day of the month, which kind of sucks, but it got sent a little bit later. That's okay. Anyways, yes, as usual, it's our monthly Boxycharm unboxing. We're gonna see what I got. Very, very excited. So before we get into it, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much if you do. But if you wanna see me unbox my February base box, stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right, guys, I am very excited to see what this one is. Part of me has a little feeling that it's gonna be Valentine's Day themed, obviously, because Valentine's Day was it last week? I think it was. That was fast. But yeah, so I have a feeling it's gonna be Valentine's Day themed, but we'll see. As usual, I don't know. It's just as much of a surprise to me as it is you. I don't peek at what's inside. I don't look online. I want it to be a surprise. It's like a little surprise to myself every month. So I love that, and I love sharing it with you guys. So we're gonna unbox this. I did take the tab off, but I didn't look, I promise. So just opening this up, the usual hashtag and handle, and then the Hello Charmer and the logo. Love it. So let's see what the card says. Oh. Wait, what is this? Boxycharm, treat your heart out. It says, epic news is coming. We've got something epic in the works, but we can't tell you all about it. Okay, but where is the card? Did they not give me like a regular card? Is this supposed to open? I'm so confused. Come on, Boxycharm. What is happening? You send me the box late, and then you don't give me a card explaining what all the products are. I don't understand. All right, I'm gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way, or I guess the new-fashioned way, and look it up online. All right, I have like the list of products pulled up on the website, so I'm just gonna grab one and I'll read about it on the website so we know what is happening. So the first one I see in here is the YC Collection Marble Sponge Duo. This is adorable. Let me find this on the website. So this goes for $20. It says, makeup application has never been easier thanks to this seamless, smooth, latex-free duo. Use the blender to effortlessly apply your foundation, concealer, or cream products for the ultimate streak-free blend. The gentle bounce from the sponge allows for comfortable, natural, buildable coverage. You can even bake with the teardrop-shaped sponge, achieving the ultimate set base. That sounds very nice. So let me open this up. The packaging is absolutely adorable. I really, really love it. Taking it out of here. Sorry for all the noise. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. And this, it's like a little pop socket, like the shape. So you could literally hold it like this and like apply it. I feel like that would make it easier. I love this shape. That's super cute, super creative. And this is just like your standard, like they said, like the teardrop shape. So you could like bake your face or whatever you want to do. They feel very soft, and I love, love, love like the sage green marble color that's in here too. I'm gonna have some fun with these. I literally was just thinking about how I need a new beauty blender because it's just time. I feel like I've overused the ones that I have, so this could not have come to me at a better time. So next, I'm pulling out this from Luxie. So let's see what this is. All right, I can't find it. I might have to Google it. Boxycharm, get it together, please, because I cannot. Oh my God, another beauty blender. Hold on one second, you guys. All right, I'm a little bit annoyed because I got this, but it's not on the website, and I tried to Google it and I can't find it. So I don't know why, Boxycharm, but next time please send me a card so I know how much everything is and what I'm looking at and everything. But they're eye brushes and then a little sponge, which I also assume is for the eyes. Sorry if you hear a noise, my cat is like going crazy as usual. So I love the other sponges, oh my god, well I guess sponges, but brushes that I got from Luxie. I use them all the time and these are like super soft. I love this greenish color. Green is like a theme today, huh? I like this. I get like the green marble sponges in the last one. I get more. This is super soft too. I'll probably use this for like concealer if I'm being totally honest, because I like that kind of a brush for that. Also very nice and soft. And then this one is gonna be nice for like liner, or even you could take like and line your lips with this. I feel like that would be good. I feel like these are gonna be really nice though. I'm excited to try these out. And this little sponge is super cute too. It's a little more hard than these, but I'm sure that would change once you get it wet. And this is like the perfect little size for like your under eyes, or you could do like a blush or highlighter with this because it's so cute and tiny. But I love that. It's really cute, and I guess ask and you shall receive, because I was thinking about new sponges and I got a ton of them, so awesome. And then you get this cute little case too, which to be totally honest, I'm probably never gonna use it, but it is cute, so it was a nice addition. And then next up, we have Give Them Lala Beauty. What is this? It's the HYDROMATTE in Booty Call, which I'm assuming is a lip product. Let's see if I can find this on the website. All right, I did find it. So it goes for $16. Again, it's a liquid lipstick. It's the HYDROMATTE in the shade Booty Call, which looks like a nude. It says, the days of a dry matte lipstick are over. This irresistibly comfortable formula dries down matte and leaves your lips looking kissable and flawless. Smudge proof, long lasting, and beautiful. Make room in your beauty drawer. This is the best matte lipstick you'll ever own. Okay, we'll see about that. We're gonna try it out. Let me open this up. The packaging is super cute. It's cute. It feels like plasticky, like nothing like super high quality, but I feel like it's cute. But I can't tell if this is on purpose, but the top looks all like messed up. I don't know. Is that on purpose, do you think? It looks like it is, because this is what the picture looks like online too. Had me worried there for a second. So let me see. I know I already have product on my lips, but I kind of want to see what this is gonna be like. Very close to what my tan is. I'm a little nervous, if I'm being honest. It's like a little nude for my liking, and I love nudes, but this is like a nude. It smells like chocolate, but then like another smell hits it and it's not as good, so I don't know. Wait. Ooh, I actually like this. All right, just a little bit in the middle, and I feel like it's good if you don't overdo it, because it can look a little too like orangey, I guess. But I'm not mad at it. I actually really like how this looks. I feel like this is like a good nude on me, but that's because I have a darker lip liner underneath. I don't think this would look good on its own. So, but it feels really good. It doesn't feel like matte. It is drying down matte. And I had like a gloss on top and it's drying it down, but it feels really good. Like it feels still creamy and still moisturizing, but it is drying down matte. So it's doing what it needs to do. Now let's see what else we got. Yes, oh my god, we got a Rare Beauty product. Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Okay, we got the Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. Do I have this? I'm pretty sure I have this already. I literally think I have this, and in the same color. Let me check for you guys. Yeah, I have it. 290N. I literally have the exact same shade. Okay, Boxycharm, you guys are mind readers. You don't give me cards when I need them, but you know my shade, so that's a plus. Okay, so I'm obviously not gonna put this on my face because I have makeup on my face already. I'll show you guys on the back of my hand what this looks like, but I can tell you this is a really, really, really good foundation. I would say it's like medium coverage, but it looks beautiful on the skin. It gives you like a really nice glow. Tear Skin, I've used it a bunch of times, so I can tell you guys right off the bat, this stuff is really, really good. Selena Gomez did such a good job on this. So let me find this one for you guys so I can tell you like pricing and stuff like that. So it goes for $30. Again, mine was in the shade 290N, which it doesn't look like it here, but it is a good color match for me. Again, if I didn't already say, $30. So good pricing for a whole foundation. It says an innovative breathable foundation that combines the weightless feel of a serum with buildable medium coverage for truly layerable wear, which it is. The super fluid serum-like texture makes it easy to build and blend your coverage just how you like it, while evening out skin tone and smoothing the look of pores, no clogging or caking. And honestly, it stays true to that because, again, I've tried this, I've used it a million times, and the description is like spot on. Like, this is such a good foundation. I love it. And I kind of forgot about it because I've been trying so many new ones. So this just reminded me to use this one again. So I'm very happy today. And then we have one more product in here, and it looks like it's an eyeshadow palette. So let's see. It's from Beauty Bakerie. It says proof is in the pudding. Eyeshadow palette. Okay, so we can use the new brushes I got too. Let me find this one. Here we go. It says this palette is $38. So kind of expensive for what this is. It's like a cardboard packaging. I don't know. $38. It says 4 mattes and 5 shimmers. This neutral eyeshadow palette will satisfy all your cravings. This palette has subtle shades perfect for day wear and deeper shadows to transition to night. It's hard pressed, so there's minimal fallout, which means colors stay on your skin, not your brush. Bonus, it's paraben free and vegan. It sounds really nice, but $38 for that is a little bit pricey, so I don't know. We'll see. Let's open this up and see what it looks like inside. I don't know if I'm like a fan of how the outside of this looks. I don't know. There's like a plastic thing that we're taking off. Okay. These are definitely my kind of shades. I feel like when you're looking in here, it's a little bit dull. I've seen worse, but it's a little tiny bit on the dull side. We'll see. I don't want to say anything yet. We're going to see. I'm going to swatch these really quick, and I will be right back, and then we're going to try them out on my eyes really fast, so give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. They're swatched, so even the swatches are a tiny, tiny bit on the dull side. They are pigmented, but just the colors. There are a couple that like the colors stand out, like they're kind of in your face, but for the most part, they are definitely neutral, which I'm not complaining because you know I like my neutral / warm tones for the eyes, so I am not mad at this. I do want to try a couple of the shades though. I think I'm going to use this Luxie brush. And I'm going to take this bread pudding shade right here. Also, $38, and it doesn't come with a mirror, and it's like this like cardboard packaging. So I'm not a fan of that for that price, I do want to say. So I'm going to just take this brush into here. There is fallout. Not like a ton, but there definitely is fallout. Can you see that? So I'm going to just blend it into my eyes. All right, now I'm gonna take this spiced caramel color in the middle with this Luxie brush, and I'm just gonna put it on my lids. I'll be totally transparent with you guys. On the eyes, these are not very pigmented at all. I feel like you can hardly see this shimmer. And well, I guess when I use my fingers, you can see it better. So the shimmer is not bad, but when I was like dipping the product onto the brush, I felt like a lot more of it was falling out than it was sticking to the brush. So I wasn't getting much product on at all, and I kept having to like dip back in. And I feel like it honestly didn't really do anything to my eyes. Like you could see a little color in my crease, but nothing like noticeable, you know? So it's not the most pigmented palette, and there's no mirror. There is fallout, even though it says that there's not supposed to be. And the colors are nothing really special, so I'm gonna have to say I'm not so excited about this one. I'm probably not gonna grab for it again, Also, I'm not a huge fan of the packaging, so I wish I liked it, but I'm gonna have to say no on this one. But the rest of everything today, I am very excited about. Like this lip product, good, very beautiful. It looks really good on my lips. And it's even better after I've let it like dry down a little bit. I love this color on me. Foundation, A+, I love it. Brushes, really soft, really nice. And I'm really excited about the sponges. So yeah, mostly everything was good in this box, just not the eyeshadow palette, and I'm annoyed at the fact that I didn't get a card, so I couldn't find one of the products to read about for you guys. But that's it. That's all I have for today. I'm excited for the next one. Hopefully it comes to me a little bit sooner and not the last day of the month, but we'll see. So yeah, comment and let me know your thoughts on what I got in my box. Let me know if you guys got the same things in yours or if it's totally different. Just give me your thoughts. Give this a big thumbs up for me and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.